If you claim that you have the numbers, if you're confident that you're doing the right thing by the country, then why are we playing all these games? Why are we even in court? You should allow the vote of no confidence to take place on the floor of Parliament and test your numbers. Today, the opposition came to the Supreme Court. So it was a full court, five-man bench, to basically have the application of the first intervener, the Attorney General, which sought to set aside the orders of Judge Hudson, which was to have the substantive matter heard on the 1st of August. So after having listened to all arguments, the full court of the Supreme Court has reserved their decision for Wednesday the 31st to either set aside the decision of Judge Hudson to have the substantive matter heard on the 1st of August or allow it to proceed. Now what's important, what the country can observe now is the opposition has come to court with myself, the Deputy Opposition Leader, and just three members of the opposition. The Honourable Amos Hakem, member for Laigap, the Honourable Casimiro Aya, the member for Goilala, and the Honourable Maso Hoabi, the member for Middle Fly. So where's the rest of the opposition? Well, they're all in their districts trying to provide service delivery and development to the people without having received any DSIP or PSIP funds. So why have members of the opposition being punished and not received any budgetary allocation, and that's preventing them from delivering service delivery and to their respective wards and districts and provinces? So this is why the opposition's in court, because there's an absolute breach of the Constitution. And this current government under the Prime Minister Marape has failed to uphold the tenets of the Constitution. And you can just see now the fundamental argument here in court is not about, like, we've got 2 more years before the vote of no confidence period lapses, 12 months before the issue of writs. We're talking about the actions in Parliament where they have completely hijacked the process to allow the vote of no confidence to proceed. If you claim that you have the numbers, if you're confident that you're doing the right thing by the country, then why are we playing all these games? Why are we even in court? You should allow the vote of no confidence to take place on the floor of Parliament and test your numbers. Country and Bagarap. Also, not going to member start no struggle or deal with more people blow the bless blow. So we expect that the full court will make the decision on Wednesday to allow the substantive matter to be heard on the 1st. So we can have Parliament recalled in August so that we can allow the vote of no confidence to proceed, and we can appoint a new Prime Minister of Papua New Guinea to get the country back on track. So ladies and gentlemen, that's the whole reason why we came to court this morning, because our good friends on the other side are trying to play simple delay tactics. We've had enough of delay tactics. The country's had enough. That's why we came to court. We won't preempt any decision of the full court. We'll allow them to make the decision, and we'll be back on Wednesday to receive the outcome of the Supreme Court decision. With that, thank you very much, and we'll see you all back on Wednesday. Thank you.